Hi everyone. So for my tool, my free online quiz tool, I use GoConqr. I honestly recommend anybody who wants to create a quiz for free and not spend any money to use this. It was very simple and it actually had a lot of options. I'm not going to get into it. I'm just going to show you what the quiz looks like. As you can see, you put pictures in. You could have multiple choice if you wanted. Obviously, this is not multiple choice. So for this one, I'm going to get it right, and then this one I'm going to do false. And then I'll click this, and then I'll click that, and then you get to submit all your answers. And it's really neat, shows you how many got right, how many got wrong. So I got 25% right, I got 3 incorrect. It tells you how long it took and how many points you got out. Since there's only 4 questions, it's out of 4 points. And then you could view all your answers. So I answered dairy, which was correct, but if you were incorrect, it would give you an explanation of why it was wrong, and the same thing for everything else. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys liked it.